Right now, as you can see, I'm at SAVDA. Now, आपने और भी वीडियोस देखे होंगे, संजय सर ने भी डाले हैं और सावधा ने भी डाले हैं. So from 24th of May, we are starting a course. Duration of the course is about a month. What is the speciality of this course? Speciality of this course will be personality orientation besides preparing you for SSB. इसमें सबसे खास बात क्या रहेगी कि इसमें it will also allow you to vent out the emotions that are trapped within you. Many times, as I have been telling through my videos to my students, as I keep telling, who join me through my online program, कि जो आपका अनकॉन्शियस माइंड है उसमें बहुत सारे इमोशंस ट्रैप्ड हैं जो आपको परेशान करते हैं. किस तरह के इमोशंस हैं वो? Like someone broke your heart, like someone made you feel bad, someone whom you trusted didn't respond the way he should or she should have had. ये जो memories हैं, ये जो troubles हैं, ये आपको बहुत बुरी तरह से होल्ड करते हैं और ये आपके ट्रैप्ड हैं अनकॉन्शियस माइंड. अगर ये वेंट आउट नहीं हो, if they are not vented out, they will stay trapped and every time you will be writing a story, they will emerge in one form or the other. Like I was just taking the interview of a boy, he was so trapped with the trauma which he faced in his early life, where his brother got lost due to an accident. He almost started crying. He spoke for about 20 minutes and he was crying. And probably after this may not haunt him. So we have designed more psychological exercises wherein we allow the people to speak in a free manner. And it is not just a classroom instruction, it is more or less a psychological orientation to know yourself in a better way. Moment you understand yourself, moment you understand your own issues, moment you understand the things that are troubling you, you start working. So this is what the concept we are going to follow here. In addition to that, there are going to be huge opportunities for students to participate in discussions, vent out the inhibitions that are holding them, prepare themselves for various subjects, because there are also some teachers here who are expert in general studies who are going to take some classes related to that. It will also, like every day, there will be a topic given for you to prepare and present lecturing issues, your own analytical thinking, those things will be catered for. Idea is that if you have come on day 1 as X or A, then day 30 when you leave, you should be E+++. Because I strongly believe the personality which is A will not change. However, personality which is A will get polished. That polishing job requires a lot of efforts from your side more, from our side also. We both together can definitely help you. So don't join this course just for the heck of clearing SSB. Also join this course to become a better person, because I was speaking to the students here and I was very amazed to see their version. They have enriched themselves, they are feeling more confident, they could vent out the emotions. Like there was a girl here who had some assault issues while growing up. She could vent it out and then she almost transformed, I'm telling you. She is feeling amazing, and these kind of experiences will not only help you but also make you a much better person. In addition, we are going to go as per the SSB curriculum. We are going to do a lot of TAT, understanding the concept of TAT, what exactly it is, how to correlate. What does the word dissociation means? What does the situation or reaction test means? How your response connects to what kind of personality makes you a good person, bad person, or what kind of person does it mean to? There will be definitely then interviews. That will be the final submission. Once the interview is taken, then it can be given a final word. Okay, you're so close, you need to just work on this, or you are a little far, you need to work more on this. So these things will be there. So be a part of this. And it is not like normal rhetoric, any academy which is just passing you through stages of practices and making you go through certain tests and not even giving you the debrief. This is an academy which is interested in working in you as a person and helping you to clear this assessment and get recommended. That is the whole aim of all of us. So calling you, inviting you to be part of this. See you soon and Jai Hind.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो और इस चैनल को डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब करें जिससे आपको इस तरह का कंटेंट मिलता रहे और इसके साथ आप प्ले स्टोर से शौर्य और विवेक नाम का ऐप भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं जहां पर आपको इस तरीके का डिफेंस का कंटेंट, एसएसबी का कंटेंट भी मिलेगा। जय हिंद।